Hey everybody, this is Reid of Creative Atmosphere, and this morning I am just getting my practice in with my first caricature of the day, and the subject matter is Tim Reid. He's one of my favorite TV dads, and I figured I'd draw Tim today. I haven't drawn his character before, so this should be fun. Let's get the top of his head going in there. Starting out with this head shape, I don't want to make it too big. Let's see there, probably about right here. I'm using a True Red permanent marker. I got it from the office supply store. And it's a nice marker. I rather enjoy using it for caricatures. Alright. Let's get that beard going in here. Well, what do you call it? A goatee. Stop it right there. The shape is odd to me. We'll go with it, see how it ends up here. And I want to put the eyes. Let's get that ear corrected here. Yeah. Alright. And let's see. Getting my thin marker to put in the eyebrows. I don't want to use this thick one with it. Let's see here. We'll go right about here. They're rather thick, so I want to make sure I capture that, the thickness of his eyebrows. I thought his character would be fun. I like this picture. It's got a lot of character in it. Let me put those lines there. And we got one that goes up a little bit further there. Let's get the other eyebrow in. It's looking pretty good. Let's get that a little bit further this way. And that one going that way. Okay. Now let's get the eyes in. They're actually rather close to his eyebrows. So let's see here. I'm going to slant this eye here. Going this way. And going down. And in. Let's do the same thing over here. Alright. And let's see, let's get the eye in here. Hopefully I got the eyes right. They almost look off a little bit. Let's see here. I'm going to step back in a minute and take a look. Yeah. Let's get the bridge of the nose here. And now I'm going to place the nose about right in here. I guess I can close the eyes in before I do that. bridge of the nose, well, the ball of the nose. Where are we going with it here? Okay, so there's his nose, and right here, start with his mouth. Let's get this going here. A little bit more detail on the eyes. And let's see here. It's got smile lines going here, but let me get his mouth in first. Let's see here. His mustache starts about right there and goes down. And let's get the smile line in. Okay. Let's see here. Get that bottom lip in. And the hair around his lip here. And then there's his chin there. And let's put some hair here. Bring that hair down a little bit more. And let's put some hair on the top of his head. Keeping it close here to the parameters of his hairline. Now let's get his neck going here. Put that, looks like a shirt or a sweatsuit top on him. Let's get this shirt collar over here going. And that other shoulder.